Hello everyone, this is Jazzy. Welcome back to your YouTube channel, The Hedges Academy. Uh, this is Monday, and yesterday, Sunday night, I did a live stream on YouTube about the BTC market update, and as you can see, exactly as predicted from the demand zone of 30 minutes demand zone that we drew yesterday on our charts. You can see the video where I mentioned that on this demand zone there is high chances of this PD value area low and previous daily open. This is now has become the PD open now, so you can mark this as PD open, and exactly as predicted, it gave a good reaction, and so far it's going exactly on the target. Like if you measure the move, it is like 2.83% move to the upside, and if you are a good scalper with 10x leverage, you have done almost 20% gains on your scalp trade. So basically my target is the NPOC. However, I believe there is a kind of resistance in this zone, and probably if we push more upside, it can comes down again in the New York session. Right now, we are in the you can say UK and pre-market session. If I can show you here, that is the UK session is going on right now, and UK is taking the DR low at the moment, and yeah, the pre-market as well. So what I believe, if this happens and price comes down in New York kill zone, then I'm gonna scoop it up. I'm gonna scoop it up for the next leg up to the upside. So right now we are patiently waiting. We already have taken profit, and as you can see here in our group, our members are nailing this exact entry to the target. They have taken this trade that we just shared in our previous live stream, as you can see here, before and after. So basically this was a trade from yesterday, and now I am waiting for more lows personally, but the market structure is kind of really good, and I can't say that it is bearish right now, because it is trying to shift the market structure. If you can see from the lower highs and lower lows, it has been shifting into the higher highs and higher lows. High drawings, and if I can show you daily highs. As you can see, this is the daily high and daily low pivots. Daily high, higher low, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower low, lower low, lower low, and this lower low. After that, on the daily time frame, we shifted from here to this higher low and higher high. Then we put the lower low than the previous one, but still it's a higher low here on the macro. Then we put the higher high, then higher low, then higher high. So basically this is the market structure shifting to the upside. But nevertheless, we have a resistance significant area in this zone, 28,300, and also 27,900 something. You can say 980 or 928 ballpark, with the monthly VWAP also sitting here. And if I take this high and this low as a internal high, internal swing high and the internal swing low, and if I decide to pull the Fibonacci golden pocket from high to low, you can see we have a significant golden ratio coming up, golden pocket, exactly same level that I am anticipating, with the single print, with the resistance, with the monthly VWAP and this golden ratio. So probably the first resistance area for me is this, second is here. So what we can see in the New York session, if we comes down in pre-market and then New York scoop it up, take the high, and then again this second target and moves down, or comes down, move up and then down. So basically it's all depends on the sign of weakness and the sign of strength. Right now price is struggling to shift the market structure and put the sign of strength, but still we are in the downtrend, as you can see, higher low, lower high, and the lower high. So we are trending downward right now. I cannot say that we are in the bullish trajectory at the moment. We are still in the, like this kind of situation and the downtrend. So basically we just need to hit the targets, and then we can see for a short scalp setup. Okay, never mind. Let's do some analysis for the previous daily levels. Okay, so this was the previous daily. Now this has become our previous daily levels. So we are going to mark the previous daily high, previous daily low. Okay, and PD open is here. That's cool. Okay, so we're gonna put it here, and this one pretty open, and I'm gonna name this as daily open. This is our daily open, current daily open. Okay, now time for previous daily value area low. So we're gonna use the exo chart. Two 26884. This is the same level. Wait, is something wrong happening? Come on. Now you see, I refresh it and 26983. After refreshing, it's giving us the accurate areas of interest, 26983, and 26834, 26834, and 26702, 26702. All right, and yeah, that's all. PD open, PD equilibrium. Yes, that is the major. You can also do really simple method to find out the previous daily equilibrium. That is taking the lows of the previous candle, lows and the highs, and here we go. The previous daily equilibrium is here at the mid of the equilibrium of this previous candle. So now it's all set. Let's go to the lower time frame where we drew the demand box. Yeah, exactly. Retest it to the right side and name it as a 3 minutes demand zone. And we tap it. We move back up. And now what we are doing is daily open, previous very very high, PD high. So we are above the PD high right now, and never ever 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 long above PD high. That's the rule number one. Never long above PD high. Always look for a potential short setup above the PD high. So I'm not gonna long here either. I'm gonna wait for the near session, and we're gonna scalp it. Daily open here, PD, BTC. So I believe that this is all for now, and I'm still waiting for these setups to play out at these levels, but it's all depend on the sign of weakness. So I'm gonna wait for the NPOC, and as I told you, the upside liquidity to be taken out. Then we're gonna decide what we need to do. Also on the in our Discord group, you can see shorts are dominant right now. You see, short sellers are dominant at the moment. So we have liquidity to the upside to be taken out. So I'm not gonna short earlier. Instead I'm gonna wait for the reaction, and I'm gonna scalp long instead. And as you can see, the liquidity is more upside in the BTC USD chart. There is liquidity towards if I can show you, above 28k there is liquidity. Above 28k, exactly the area that I just told you on my chart here. The area here, this one, the same area you can see having the liquidity to the upside. Almost 2 billion of the liquidity is sitting over here. You see, so basically possible that BTC can retest this area sooner or later. So we need to be patient. Patience is the name of the game. Okay, and yes, that's all. Once we turn the liquidity and liquidate all of these short sellers that have been shorting 25x leverage and the 50x leverage, once we take them out here and here, then I'll be looking for a short trade, because once the histogram here of this one, once this become green like this, then we will be looking for a short trade. Right now the shorts are dominant, and it's not a good idea to short right now. It's too early. You know, there is possibilities of the you can say for a short squeeze. Okay, after this long squeeze we can see a short squeeze, and then same scenario that happens as always. So as you can see here as well, the high leverage node sitting over here and here at the exact 28k level. So I'm not gonna lie, I think this is the highest probability that we are just giving you right now with the help of the liquidation market makers data. So the market makers data is telling me that it's too early to short right now. You need to wait. You need to wait for the good level to show, right? Okay. Here you can see we have plenty of liquidation sitting over here on 27,000 Sorry, my bad. Yeah, here we go. You see, this is the level 27,995 and 27,800. These are the levels that having the liquidity sitting here as well as here also. So we need to wait. We need to wait for the perfect scenario to play out. Then we're gonna short it. Okay. That's all for today. We'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.